In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions in less than 5 minutes. Yes, I said less than. My name is Beryl Mohammed. My students call me Miss Beryl. Go ahead and press that red subscribe button with the notification bell, and we're going to go into those conversions right now.
It's like every day.
If it's your first time here, welcome to the class. And if you're returning, I appreciate you coming back. Let's get into it. So when we're talking about converting improper fractions to mixed fractions, remember the term improper means that the numerator is more than the denominator. So this is not a proper fraction. So we need to make it into a mixed fraction, because what you want to find out is how many times does the 12 go into the 113. So you would need to know your 12 times tables. So if we were counting in 12s, right? So you would keep going up, but you cannot go over the 113. You need to get as close to it as possible. So we have, okay, 5 times 12 is 60, 6 12, 72, 8 12s, right? And then you go up to 9. Okay, so about 10. So 10 12s would be 120. So that would be too high. So if we go back down to a 9, so that would be 9 times 12 is 108, right? So we'll have a 9 there then. So 9 times 12 is 108. How far is 108 away from 113, right? So let's think about it. What do we have? Good, we got 5, okay. So then the 5 then would serve as the proper part of the fraction, the numerator part. Okay, so that's how you got to the 5. Let's do that again. So 9 times 12 is 108. How far is that away from 113? It's 5 away, and then you would repeat your denominator because it is a whole part, right? So 113 over 12, right, changes to 9 and 5/12 mixed fraction. All right, so let's go to the next one, just so we can practice a little bit more. So here we have 39 over 4. Now what would happen here? So you would change to your 4 times table, because the number at the bottom has to be divided into the top so we can get the mixed answer. So 4 into 39, how close can we get there? What do we have? Okay, good. So we got a 9 again, right? Because 9 times 4 is 36. How far is 36 away from 39? Okay, good. So it's 3 away. So that becomes our new numerator of a part of the mixed fraction. And then you would repeat your denominator, which is the whole part 4. Now, I want to do one more. Suppose we had 50 over 8. Right? So how would we change this into an improper? Okay, so obviously we're doing the same method, right? So now we've switched to our 8 times table. So how many times does 8 go into 50? Right? So you'd have to think of your 8 times table. 5 times 8 is 40, but we can go up a bit more. 6 times 8 is 48. Good. Okay, so we can use a 6, right? So 6 times 8 is 48. How far are you away from 50? So you're 2 away, good, and then you repeat your whole part. So now you have 6 and 2 8s, but that can be reduced. It can go down a bit more. So we still keep our whole number of 6. We still keep that. Let me move this over a bit more. So we still keep the 6 because that's a whole number. We can't mess with that, but we could reduce the 2 over 8 a little bit more, can't we? So what multiplication table has 2 and 8 in it? So we can use the 2, right? All right, so we divide by 2 upstairs, we divide by 2 downstairs, and then what would we have here? So you'd have 2 divided by 2 is what? 8 divided by 2 is what? Or we can use the multiplication. What times 2 is 2, and what times 2 is 8. All right, so this will be a 1. So 1 times 2 is 2, and then we'd have a 4 here. 4 times 2 is 8. All right, so this would be the final answer. So there you have it, my friends. So you see, it's all about your multiplication tables. Once you know them, you can't go wrong. So tell me, what did you think about this video? How did you do your conversions? Do you do them the same way? Or do you have a problem with your multiplications? Does that play a part in how you do your conversions? Let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and with that notification bell, and I'll see you next time in another math video. Class dismissed.